hums, it blows under the sun where the mango grows. A whisper carries through the breeze, from the earth to the roots to the tallest trees. Feel it rise and feel it slow. Let it guide you, let it show. Spiritual flow, it lifts you high where the soft winds blow. Spiritual flow, let your soul let it go. Feel the rhythm, feel it grow. The stars align in the midnight sky, a cosmic dance, no need to ask why. Footsteps drum on the sacred ground, each beat of the heart, a holy sound. Feel it moving, feel
talking to the ground below. Ancient whispers where the rivers flow. Roots dig deep where the tall trees grow. The morning sun, songs of freedom, they just begun. Every heartbeat's a battle won. Feel the fire in your chest, carry truth, forget the rest. Roots and culture, hear the sound, rise up higher, stand your ground. Roots and culture, circle round. Lion roars in the winds of time. Wisdom whispers in the ancient rhyme. We are the branches, the roots divine. We are branches. Golden rain strip down the hills. Palm trees sway like they got no wheels. The ocean hums a song so old, whispering truths only stars have told. Zion sunset calling me, burning skies in the melody. Zion sunset set me free. I feel the fire, I feel the sea.
like sacred trust. The breeze it speaks in a rhythm tone, telling me Zion is my home. Feel the drum beats under my feet. Feel the heat where the sky and the earth meet. Zion sunset calling me, burning skies and the melody. Oh, Zion sunset set me free. I feel the fire, I feel the sea. No chains can bind where the soul can fly. No walls can hold back the open sky. Lift your eyes and see it clear. Zion sunset